Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. Now, I don't know what you got planned for the weekend, but we're going to give you the best of both worlds today. All right, and both watch faces are going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, one of the watch faces are going to be geared toward fitness, and this one is going to be geared towards somewhat of a super casual wear. Now, the name of it is called Formtion Classic Analog. I like the look. I do like the layout of the information. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look because it's going to look exactly like what you see when the watch face is on. Now, once it's on, I do like the traditional look so far as analog is concerned. I like the fun analog hands as well. You get a floating second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch. Also, you're going to get your day of the week and your date, and you're going to get your weather icon in the middle. So depending on what type of day it is outside, it could be cloudy, it could be sunny, it could be cloudy and raining. That's going to show in the middle. And also you're going to have your battery percentage in the middle as well. Now, the watch face is Celsius. I'm wishing it was Fahrenheit. Question is that a deal breaker for you? Now, the watch face is inactive, so you can't always go into your weather in spite of the fact that it's Celsius. At the top, you can set your alarm, and over here, you can go in and get your calendar. My watch face is temperamental, so let's see if we can get this to come up. There you go. And that's not bad. I thought it was a good deal so far as the watch face is concerned. But the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know. Now let's check out, last but not least, watch face number 2. Watch face number 2 is called Formtion Classic Clean. Now, I'm liking this one a lot better than I'm liking watch face number 1. But again, I take it, especially considering that it's free. This one is also free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look so far as your digital time is concerned. You're going to get a floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Nice, big, bold, legible digital time with an AM stamp and a PM stamp, and up at the top you're going to get your weather. Now, depending on what type of day it is what's going to show on the top where your icon is for your weather. That's not a bad deal at all. You got your step status info down at the bottom. You're going to get your battery, and you're going to also get your heart rate. Now, if I tap in the middle, I can set an alarm. If I tap up here, I can get my weather. So I thought this was definitely a good deal so far as a watch face, a free watch face is concerned. I said it's a download. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think, people? Are you going to download this one or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys have the best day ever. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.